Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set a default task duration for tasks within your workspace and spaces on Wrike. So let us guide you through this, guys. So you will need to log into your Wrike account, click into profile icon in the top left, here into profile and settings. And then guys, what you want to do is navigate to the profile settings in the top left corner. Here scroll down to tasks and subtasks. And here guys, you will see this option, default task duration. So you can customize that and go with a custom task duration for days, hours, minutes. Click into the drop-down menu. And let's say, for example, the default task duration for a task you create within your project is, let's say, because as you can see, it will be disabled with 0 days, 0 hours, 0 minutes. So let's go with 30 minutes default for the sake of this tutorial. Click into Save Changes here, and that is going to apply the default task duration for your Wrike workspace from now on. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.